Okay, what's happening now? Oh, let's see. Want to come up? Yes!
They are popping.
It is certainly popping.
It is popping popcorn.
Oh, they're popping up.
Yeah.
Like pop, 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 pop.
That's pretty cool, huh?
Yeah.
You gonna put tasty things on this nice popcorn?
Yeah.
You have to look at the camera, sweetie.
So what kind of things are you going to put on top?
She got all the crazy things you want to do.
Chocolate
Okay, what else?
and sprinkles.
Oh, okay. That sounds pretty good, actually. That's it?
Yeah.
Yeah, they think that would be perfect popcorn?
Yeah.
Oh, alright. They're popping pretty good.
Yeah.
They almost all popped.
I want to look at it.
You think they're almost all popped?
Yeah.
What do you think, Julian?
Should I shake it some more?
Yeah. For what?
Ooh, look at them go.
Ooh. Now how are we going to make the chocolate syrup? Do you have any idea?
By melting a chocolate bar.
You want to tell Pop?
Yeah, how would we
Melting our chocolate bars.
how would we do that?
By melting our chocolate bar. The chocolate bar.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
And then it just melts into just stuff what is the stuff will go on your hands and cannot get off.
Oh, it would be all messy?
Okay.
Yeah.
Messy
So
chocolate.
Let's leave that in there.
Oh.
So we would have to put the chocolate in a bowl.
In a bowl?
Yeah, put it on the bowl.
Oh.
Okay, I need to go get the chocolate.
For us to not get our hands messy.
Oh, okay.
That's so weird.
You don't like messy hands?
Yeah.
Yeah, sometimes you get a little messy when you're cooking.
Yeah, it's not so bad. It's okay to be
Me?
messy.
I always
So what should I do to melt the chocolate though? What do you think? Tell Pop.
put in a bowl by taking off the wrapper.
Okay.
The whole wrapper off.
Oh, alright.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
How
then
many do you think I need?
put in a bowl.
How many chocolates do you think I need? Tell Pop how many chocolates we need.
How many? How many bars of chocolate? How many pieces?
I put in one.
How?
Come up with a number.
For all of the
Four.
How many
for
pieces?
all the popcorn.
How many pieces? One piece?
All of the popcorn. It's for that.
How many? Two pieces?
It's for all of the popcorn.
Yeah,
Okay.
but we need a number.
How many? Three pieces?
All of the popcorn numbers.
How about we do
Oh,
one?
he did 4 cups.
How about we do one piece for each cup of popcorns? How many cups did we put in?
So, four.
Four.
Okay, so 4 chocolate.
Four chocolate pieces?
Four
Oh,
of the whole thing.
okay. That's a lot of chocolate.
Yes. It's his recipe.
Yep.
Wow.
So
Great.
that's
1, 2, 3, and this is.
That's
four.
so many bars of chocolate.
Whole paper is always staying on.
And where do the papers go, Julian?
Of the whole thing.
Yeah? Where does the wrappers go?
In the garbage.
You got it?
Very good. Good job.
All right, Chef
Four.
Julian. That's a good idea.
So,
Wow.
So
Melt
where-
this chocolate.
How do we melt the chocolate?
by putting it in the oven.
On the oven?
By
Oh.
putting it on the top.
On the top.
Do you think marshmallows would go good in it too, like you said the other day?
Yeah.
Oh.
How many marshmallows?
Four.
Oh, okay.
It's always
You
four.
get 4 marshmallows then, Julian. You do that part,
Here,
okay?
you do
Go
this
ahead.
part.
Get the marshmallows up.
Okay,
Just
we're gonna count
like
with me.
Just what
Count
it's
with me.
like. 1,
1,
2,
What's the last one? Woohoo!
4. Okay.
Okay, now we gotta melt it somehow. What is your idea?
By putting it on that.
Okay.
Alright.
Alright.
Mmm.
Cooking it on that.
I'm gonna watch at it.
Okay, you gonna watch it cook?
Take this off so it's not soggy.
Oh, look at all that popcorn.
Ooh.
Mmm.
What
What do
should
you
I
think?
use to stir it with? What would you want me to stir it with?
A spoon.
Okay.
A big one. For a spoon.
Oh, look, it's already getting melty.
Yeah, because it's so hot.
I think 4 is a very good number.
Yeah, and I always say 4 of the whole thing for that.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Chocolate one.
Yeah. Well, have you ever made this before, Julian?
No.
Okay.
Do you think it's gonna turn out good?
Yeah.
What do you think, Julian?
Awesome.
Awesome?
Yeah.
It's awesome chocolate
Mm.
sauce. Okay.
With marshmallows.
Wow.
We were at the supermarket,
And then we can pour it in the bowl.
and he thought of different
Oh, I
things.
see.
But then we had to go home, and he thought of all these things. This is what he wanted to make.
Okay.
He wanted chocolate sauce on popcorn. And what did you call the sprinkles? You called them something interesting.
Rainbow ones.
Rainbow? Okay.
Yeah?
Rainbow sprinkles.
Yeah.
Think we should put the rainbow sprinkles? Where should we put them?
On every of them.
Yeah?
On all
She knows
the
marshmallows
popcorn.
aren't really melting, but
No, they're
the
not.
chocolate's doing pretty good.
That's just the chocolate. It's
You know, 4
melting.
chocolate bars don't really melt into very much, do they?
4 whole chocolate bars.
Yeah.
Just melt.
Well, is there anything else you think we could put in here to make it more of a liquid? Do you think? I mean, what do we have?
I'm the wood.
You know what? Okay. What do we have? And I'll just keep stirring so it doesn't burn.
What do you think?
What about?
Aha! Cereal.
Cereal?
Cereal?
Yeah. For you.
It's whatever you want to
You want to put
here.
cereal in it?
Yeah, and this.
What's that?
Can say it because I don't know.
Looks like syrup.
It is magic syrup.
Magic syrup.
There's also
and
this one.
Cereal.
There's
Cereal.
magic syrup or chocolate syrup? Because this is gonna get. We need to put something in it, Julian,
This
for it.
and
this
cereal.
clumping.
Okay. Which cereal? This one?
The Lucky Charm.
The Lucky Charms, of course.
Oh.
Because I want to make the trap.
You want to put them in with the chocolate?
Well, yep.
Okay.
Okay, let's get a couple of them then.
And this
Okay.
with the chocolate.
Okay.
Alright. Get the measuring cup.
I'm gonna put this over here, off the heat. You stay away from the. Oh, we're gonna do it here. That's right. Okay, here you go. All right, the measuring cup. And I will do how many?
4. I always do everything 4.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
1,
Woo.
2. Ooh, this stuff smells good. 3,
The last one? 4.
4. Okay, very interesting, Julian.
Oh.
You're like
The
the
cereal? 4.
chef creator of desserts.
The cereal should be 4.
Okay, I think I should stir this and let it melt.
I'm gonna do all of the marshmallows, but just do all of these marshmallows.
You want me to pick all the marshmallows out?
I just want 4 marshmallows.
Maybe pick out 4. So throw that one in.
What just put it where I can see them, and then and when I get all 4.
Okay.
Got 1, got 2. Got 3. The last one is to be 4. No.
That was not it?
What, you're looking for special marshmallows?
It's supposed to be just marshmallows.
How many we have? We got...
4.
Oh, yeah. You want to put them in?
Okay.
Look
Go ahead,
at
you
what
I'll put them in for you if you like. Oh, you got them?
only in this.
Okay.
And I'll just keep stirring,
Drop
right?
in the. Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Then it's to be crispier.
Pretty crispy.
It's to be yummier
I think so.
and
Okay.
yummier.
Oh,
And what
wow.
else would you put in your popcorn?
Oh,
We need to get the sprinkles. I gotta find them.
you.
I think they're up there on the top.
This is to be
And the
so
crispy top?
good.
Okay.
How many spoons of sprinkles should we have?
4.
Oh.
4 spoons. 4, 4.
Wow, I couldn't have guessed that.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay, so probably gonna let me do this.
Just
You're
tell
directing
us
me. You want me to do 4?
Yeah. 4
1.
of
What's that?
2, 3, 4.
Whoa.
Yay! 4 is the magic number today.
Okay.
I only do those. But now I haven't tried that for this.
Yeah, I think this
Yeah.
might be pretty good.
Yeah, you're an interesting little guy.
We got some special sauce for these
Yeah.
for this popcorn.
Yeah.
Can't think of anything else that would go in here?
Maybe blue.
Okay.
Some milk?
Yeah. 4 again. Four
Huh?
portions.
How about 4 splashes?
No. 4 portions in there.
Huh?
The chocolate one.
What? This
4
one?
portions, the chocolate one.
This one?
Yeah.
Okay.
4 portions.
1,
4.
2, 3, 4.
And that's it.
Okay. Magic.
Okay.
Okay, I'm
How
gonna
does it
stir.
smell like?
How long do you think? How many times should I stir it, Julian?
A lot.
A lot. More than 4?
Yeah.
Okay, let's stir it. You want to sing a song while we stir it?
Yeah, but I dance and you sing Sana, so.
Okay.
I always do this.
You gotta spin how many times?
4 on my butt.
One,
He's stirring while I'm stirring.
4 times. Woo! Nice. All right. I think this is coming along nicely. It's pretty much almost ready.
Okay, now, what do you want me to do with it when it's ready, Julian? Come up here and tell me. You tell me. Just keep away where it's, because it's hot. I don't want you to get hurt, okay? Okay. So what do we do?
Put on popcorn.
Put it on the popcorn?
Yeah. Some.
Okay. With the spoon.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh.
On
Very,
all
very interesting.
Always oven.
Whoa, look how it shrinks!
Oh, it's making it shrink down.
Woo, shrinky popcorn.
Because it's, whoa, chocolatey.
That is crazy.
You can put all of it on it. On all of it.
See that? Yeah.
Oh, it's always shrinking.
This is going to be some really interesting. Tell me, should I stir it in there? You got to tell me what to do.
You have to stir it in there.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
I think it's shrinking.
It looks like some chocolatey popcorn.
And it shrinks.
It did. It's tiny popcorn now.
It's tiny chocolate popcorn.
Yeah, there was so much popcorn. This is called science at work.
I
Wow.
love this move.
Pretty cool.
Should I put the rest of the sauce on it?
Yeah, all of it.
Oh boy.
Yes!
It's
Oh
gonna be soup
man,
popcorn.
that's some soup popcorn.
Did you just make popcorn soup?
All right, that looks pretty good, huh?
We
Yeah.
gotta pour out the sauce for it to not be like that popcorn soup.
Oh,
that's
maybe we
pretty
could just
hot.
scoop a little popcorn out into a bowl. Sound good?
What we could do.
With a special spoon.
We have
Do you want more sprinkles on top?
yeah, tons.
Tons.
All of it. All of it.
My battery's almost running.
Just face it down.
Okay, that looks good.
The whole thing down.
Wow.
There you go. What do you think, Julian?
Is that? How's that look? What do you think, Julian?
Good.
Yeah, looks perfect.
You ready to eat it?
All done?
Yeah. We have
Okay, we gotta let it cool down.
All right, we'll be
Alright.
back. Hey, Julian.
High five.
Oh, so what are we gonna cook today?
What is your awesome idea? Can you tell us?
Chocolate popcorn with sprinkles on.
Oh, that sounds good.
Anything else on them?
That's
That's it.
yeah.
What happened to the other stuff we were talking about?
I don't know.
No?
The popcorn is too small.
Yeah. Look at Pop.
One is small.
Oh, yeah?
The time, yeah.
So you want chocolate popcorn with sprinkles?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Okay. So what do I have to get first? What should I make first? You tell me.
Popcorn.
Okay. All right.
Popcorn.
Popcorn.
Normal popcorn.
Yeah.
Okay. We
Oh.
happen to have normal popcorn.
Oh, let's see.
Ooh, jolly time. So how do I make the popcorn? You know?
Just put it on the pan.
Okay.
Yeah?
What do I have to do first? You have to tell me. What goes in it?
Water.
Water.
I messed up. What is it called?
What is this called?
What is it called? They don't know.
I don't know. Why don't you look at Pop? Ask him. What's it called?
What is it called?
That looks like oil. Yes.
So I'm gonna make the popcorn.
Okay.
Okay.
Ma's your helper.
Yes. You can even help me put the popcorn in it. If you'd like.
You would have to move it to me because I'm trying to sit.
We can't make popcorn at the island.
You can just point it to me and I
Oh, I'll do that one.
pull it.
Oh, so in other words, you want me to do the
The
popcorn and you're.
popcorn.
Oh.
I have to just pull it in right here.
Oh, okay. I see what you mean. Okay.
No.
You're gonna have me do all the work.
Just the chicken one.
You could always use the stool there for Julian to do.
You could use the stool to be there with me.
Okay. And I need my cup somewhere.
I think you're
I need my
doing
cup
fine with
right
it.
here.
All
I'm
right.
gonna pour the popcorn into here because.
I got it. I'm doing
No,
it.
Julian,
I'm
over there.
putting it.
By the sink.
It's right there.
Maybe this.
Yes.
Let's see. Do it.
Okay.
Wait.
Other way around.
Okay.
I don't want you getting hurt.
Ugh.
All right. You want to get a cup?
I need this.
Get a good cup. Nice. Very nice.
Yeah.
And some more?
Yeah.
How many cups did you do so far?
2,
Oh, how many are you going to do?
4.
4? Okay, that means
What's his
one
favorite
more.
number? Favorite number.
Okay, that's 4 cups.
What should I do now?
Could it?
Yeah. Hey, somebody got on your stool.
Get off the stool what I had.
We should put a mustache on her now.
I need my cup.
Okay, now what do you want me to do with the popcorn? You gotta show me. What should we do with the popcorn?
Cook it until it pops.
Should I put a lid on it or off of it?
Keep the lid on it.
Why? What will happen if we don't have a lid?
The popcorn would fly out.
Oh, yeah. That would be pretty funny. Okay.
We're gonna do that.
We'll be right back when the popcorn is popping. All right?
Yeah.
All right, Julian. Are you ready to try it?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay.
The sauce
Let me take it out of its.
Oh, wow. Look at that. It looks so yummy.
Yes, it does. It looks awesome.
Oh, I didn't know that.
You gotta look at the camera.
What do you
kid.
think, bud?
It's so cool.
Okay, let's try it.
How should I get it out?
By putting it in.
Put it in a bowl?
Yeah. It's flat one.
Okay, one for you, one for me.
Okay. Ooh,
Popcorn
soup.
It
Wow.
should not be that.
No? What should you call it?
It's like cereal soup.
Julian Hirsch popcorn. That was tall.
Oh, wow.
Julian's popcorn soup?
Julian
Come on, bud.
popcorn.
Take a seat.
Tall. That's what people have to make. This.
Oh. What did you tell him what people have to make?
This.
Mmm. Try some.
That's tall.
Okay, let's try. 1, 2, 3.
Why is it so small?
Mmm.
Why is it so small?
Only one is out.
Okay, let's try to see what your Julian's popcorn stuff is.
You like it, bud? Is it success?
Mmm.
Thumbs up or thumbs down? Yeah, all right.